next one problem is, if there is a coefficient of x square is not a 1, then here the problem is 1 by 2x square plus 3x plus 5. So this is a problem. Here if you are observe this one, the coefficient of x square is not a 1, that is here 2. So we taken as the coefficient of x square as a common. So this form is a compare. So what we do, compare integral of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Here coefficient of, what is the first step? The first step is coefficient of x square. Here the problem is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is equal to 2 here. So taken a 2 as a common. That is the first one is taken. Take 2 as a common from 2x square plus 3x plus 5. That is, if there is a 2x square plus 3x plus 5, if I am taking 2 as a common, x square plus 3 by 2 into x plus 5 by 2. Taken as this is a 1. And next, step 2. The step 2 is nothing but x square plus 3 by 2 into x plus 5 by 2. So this can be written as sum of square. This can be written as sum of square. That is x square plus or minus a square. So how we convert x square plus 3 by 2 into x plus 5 by 2. So this is nothing but x square, a square plus 2ab, 2a is nothing but x, b is nothing but 3 by 4, 3 by 4 is nothing but 3, that is 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar, 4. So finally we get the 3 by 2. So here the b element, what is the b element? The b element is 3 by 4. So we add and subtract of b square, that is nothing but 3 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square plus 5 by 2. So that is nothing but here what is the formula we use? We use that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it can be written as x plus 3 by 4 whole square, and this is nothing but minus 3 by 4 whole square, this is nothing but a 9 by 16 plus 5 by 2. So it can be written as x plus 3 by 4 whole square. Here what is the LCM? The LCM is 16. So we get that minus 9 plus 8 into 5, that is a 40. So we take the LCM is 60, we get that minus 9 plus 8 into 5, 40. So that is nothing but this value. So finally we get that x plus 3 by 4 whole square plus 31 by 18. That is 31 by 18. The 31 by 18 can be written in the form of squares. That is nothing but a root of 31 by 18 whole square. So we get that what is the form, that is we convert that x square plus 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 2. This can be written as sum of squares, and from 1 what is the 1? What is that? Is nothing but a 2x square plus 3x plus 5. It is nothing but a 2 into this value, that is x plus 3 by 4 whole square plus root of 31 by 18 whole square. Okay, so We know that 1 by x square plus a square, that is a form of we do that integral, that is integrate. So we get that 1 by 2x square plus 3x plus 5 into dx. We get that 1 by 2 is a constant taken as outside, and we get that 1 by x plus 3 by 4 whole square plus root 31 by 18 whole square. So therefore, what is the form? The form is 1 by 2 into, or that is 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square is nothing but what is the value? The value is equal to sin h inverse x by a. Sorry. 1 by x square plus a square, that is nothing but a tan inverse x by a. That is 1 by x square plus a square is nothing but tan inverse. What is the value? The value is equal to tan inverse x by 2. This is nothing but tan inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here what is that? X equal to, we compare that x equal to, what is the x equal to x plus 3 by 4, and a equal to root of 31 by 18. If I am writing this is equal to 1, substitute x equal to x plus 3 by 4 and a equal to root of 31 by 18 in 1. So we get that is a 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, that is 1 by a, 1 by root of 31 by 18 into tan inverse of x. What is the x? X plus 3 by 4 by a root 31 by 18. So we get that root 31 by 18 into tan inverse of 4x plus 3 by 4 and root of 31 by 18 plus c.